Hello, and welcome to this tutorial for building your persuasive video. While I recommend Canva for this project, you can use any app that allows you to share your work easily. Planning is essential before you start making your video. In the video industry, this process is called storyboarding. During storyboarding, you'll decide on the key elements of your story, including the background, characters, and the overall sequence of your video. Use your script to determine the visuals that best illustrate your video's central idea. These visuals will make up your storyboard. When adding visuals to your video, you have two options. You can use the free images from Canva to easily incorporate visuals and share your video. Alternatively, you can search the internet for images and download them directly to your device. However, if you choose images that are not free to use in Canva, you will not be able to share your video, so choose free or find images with a web search. If you want to add a video background, let's learn how to do this from my friend Dale. Now pay attention.
To begin recording on your Chromebook, press the Shift, Control, and Show Windows keys on your keyboard. In the menu, at the bottom, select Screen Record. You should also have the option to choose whether you would like to record the full screen, record a partial screen, or record a specific window. Once you select how you would like to record, the recording will begin. In order to stop the recording, at the bottom right, select Stop Recording. By default, screen recordings will be saved to your Downloads folder. To change where screen recordings are saved, on the Screen Capture menu, select Settings, and then select your chosen folder. Screen recordings and screenshots will now be saved to the folder that you select.
Once you have your media, images, videos, or audio files saved, add them to your video using the Upload feature in Canva. There are two options for recording your narrative in your video. Remember, you are recording your script. The first option is to use your own voice using an online voice recorder. The second option is using an AI program to do the talking for you. To record the narrative for your video, the first option is using an online voice recorder. This is a simple process. Go to the website of the online voice recorder. I recommend onlinevoicerecorder.com. Once there, click the record button to start recording. Speak clearly into your device's microphone. If you're not satisfied with the take, you can easily re-record it by clicking Record again. Once you are satisfied with your recording, save the recording to your device. A great benefit of using this tool is the ability to record your video in segments or sessions. This means you can record each part of your script separately and then combine them into your final video. This method can help manage longer scripts or allow for retakes of specific sections without needing to redo the entire recording. I use this approach to create the segments for this instructional video. The second option is to let AI do the talking for you. LoveVoice is a free and highly functional application to use for your voiceover. To utilize LoveVoice effectively, begin by opening your script and copying the content you wish to narrate. Then, paste this content into the LoveVoice text box. It's advisable to handle the narration one paragraph at a time. This approach simplifies the video editing process and enhances the overall creation experience. Attempting to record the entire narration in a single session can complicate both the creation and editing phases of your video significantly. Once you have pasted your text into the provided box, select the voice you prefer to use for your video. After making your selection, click on the Submit button. Yes, the video needs to be in English. Once you are satisfied with your narration, click the 3 vertical ellipses and download the voice to your device. Don't forget to upload your narration and to place it into the correct spot in your video. Here is an important fact for you to know. Media will be inserted at the position where the playhead is located on your video timeline. You can also use the playhead to select where to make cuts in the video. The final touch is to add some background music. Opt for instrumental tracks, as songs with vocals might distract from your narration. To find background music, simply do a web search for background music. To make the search specific, use a colon followed by MP3. Once you've chosen your music track, Download it to your device and then upload it to Canva. Place the music in your video by positioning the playhead on the timeline where you want the music to start. Remember, the media will be inserted at the location of the playhead. You're not finished with the music just yet. First, you'll need to adjust the volume. In your video editing window, click on the audio bar, then select the 3 ellipses and set the volume to a level between 8 and 10%. If you want the same song to play throughout your video, click on the 3 ellipses again and choose Duplicate Track. When you have completed your video and made all the necessary edits, it's time to share it. You will need to share it in 2 ways. First, create a shareable link and set the access to anyone with the link. Second, download the video as an MP4 file. We will submit the videos to Google Classroom using both of these methods.